I'm sorry. This isn't about you. It's about me. And I didn't mean...
It doesn't matter.
But you know those mans are going to get theirs, right?
And then what? And then they come after you, or they come after Mom, or whoever? That's not the point. The point is you didn't tell me about any of this.
It was all so fast, all right? I just didn't want you to know. But look, I'm going to take care of you, all right?
You need to take care of yourself. See, that's your problem. You don't get it. You're not my savior. You are not my knight in shining armor. You are just a big brother. And right now I lost everything. I lost my apartment. I lost my money, Mackenzie. I lost my dream. But I'm not even mad anymore. You want to know why? Because we're done.
What?
Yeah, this little you and me thing, I don't want it anymore. I don't want you in my life anymore.
Wait, what do you mean? Don't do this.
You did this to yourself. What happened to you?
Life. Look, I'll see you around, right?